In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is a focus key phrase in Yoast SEO. If you've ever wondered what that field in Yoast actually does, this walkthrough will make it simple. A focus key phrase is the main keyword or short search term you want a page or post to rank for, and Yoast uses it to evaluate how well your content matches that topic. To get started, go to your WordPress or Shopify dashboard and open the page or post you want to edit. This is the content you want to optimize for search. Make sure you're inside the editor for the correct page before moving on, because Yoast will analyze whatever content is currently open. Once you're in the editor, scroll down below the main content area, or if your setup uses the sidebar layout, open the Yoast SEO panel on the right side of the screen. Depending on your theme, plugins, or screen size, Yoast may appear in slightly different places, but the goal is the same. You want to find the SEO settings connected to that specific page or post. Next, locate the focus key phrase field. In that box, type the exact keyword or short phrase that best represents your topic. Ideally, this should be around 2 to 5 words. Keep it specific and closely related to what the page is actually about. This isn't meant to be a long sentence. It should be the core phrase someone might type into a search engine to find your content. As soon as you enter that focus key phrase, Yoast will begin analyzing your content automatically. You'll see feedback appear using color-coded indicators. Red means something needs improvement, orange means it's okay but could be stronger, and green means that part is performing well. This instant feedback is helpful because it shows you at a glance how effectively your content is aligned with the key phrase you chose. From there, work your way through the feedback list and optimize your content carefully. The goal is to make sure your key phrase appears naturally in important areas of the page. That usually means reviewing the places Yoast highlights and improving them without forcing the phrase in too often. A natural reading experience still matters, so focus on clarity first and optimization second. As you make updates, keep an eye on the feedback, colors, and suggestions. Yoast is there to guide you, not to replace good writing. Use the recommendations to strengthen your content while keeping it useful and readable for real people. And that's how to use a focus key phrase in Yoast SEO to better align your content with your target topic.